Hey girly, Pandora here with a new video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we have a fun festive holiday look. If you want to see how we got this look, just stay tuned. Alright, as usual, starting bare-faced. I think I was listening to SZA's album right now during that time. You know what I mean. This is a cute little mug that I got from Target. It was only $5 with little chocolate Santas. Like, how cute. $5, like I just said. $5. So we are just brushing my brows. We're not filling them in. We're going to go in with a concealer to like give a nude brow, no brow effect. I honestly like doing this because I did this before for my Starfire video, which was super cool because I did like pink magenta eyebrows, and you'll see that we're doing red today. So we're going into the Mocha P palette. I am going to be using the color Princess. And when you're doing this, you're gonna have, lined it with an edge brush, a flat edge brush like I would do with regular brow pencil. And then I got like a flat brush and filled it in with the red and like sprayed it with some setting spray so it could pop out more. Just trust the process. I know it looks kind of crazy now, but just trust the process. Now we're just going to shape up the eyebrows with concealer again so they don't look as crazy and all over the place, and blend it out. Like, how crazy does that look? That's so cool. I love doing my eyebrows like this. I think I might have to do it like once in a blue moon because it's so fun. Like, what color would you try next? Next, we're going to go into the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place. The color I was going to do is the color Layla. So I'm doing more of like a nudish brown kind of eye look because the brows are so bold themselves. Then we're going back into the palette. We're going in with the color Sheba. No, sorry, Madagascar. I was looking at the next color. And I barely use this palette and I forget how like pigmented they are, and I love it. And I'm just blending this out. Next, we're going into the Bratz Makeup Revolution palette. I wanted to add a little bit of warmth because I felt like it was flat. The color I did use was Midnight Dance, I believe. This is kind of like giving like cute like little Christmas tree vibes. Now I'm using a brown liquid eyeliner from Fashion Nova from their Maven Beauty collection. Does this not like scream like Christmas tree to you guys? Cause like it's giving me Christmas tree, but like I'm digging it. I really am. Now we're going into the Yasmin palette from Makeup Revolution. We're going to be using the color Frog in the inner corner of our eye. I want to keep the eye, like I keep saying, kind of simple but still bold, because if you're like into the holidays, like really into the holidays, you don't mind going like that little extra mile. I like going that extra mile, especially around the holidays. Now we're going into the Magic Mini by Juvia's Place, and we got the color Buzo in for our like under eye. Because I had a green eyeliner, but I could not find it at all, so you know, makeup where you can. And I'm just drinking some like black Lipton tea, that's all. Now I'm doing my basic concealer underneath my eyes. As you guys know, it's pretty easy and simple. I just got like a little cheap dollar concealer. It works well, keeps everything in place. Then I am using the color Nutmeg Fenty Beauty setting powder to set in that concealer that I laid on. I know I'll be using a lot of powders, but hey, my face stays okay. And I forgot to put mascara on, so I'm just like quickly putting on some mascara just so I can have it with a little extra with the lashes I am going to be applying. Because I realized I'm like, oh my god, I forgot to put on mascara. Next, I'm going into my Can't Stop Won't Stop powder foundation from NYX. I'm like brush like bristle got into my eye. I hate that. And the color Mocha, and I'm just putting it all over my face. I'm adding a lighter concealer to keep it highlighted under my eye. I don't set this with setting powder, I just leave it as is so I can just have like a bright under eye. Now I'm going in with my bronzer. I've had this for like ever, so we're not going to get into it, but I believe it's from Morphe. It's like, you know, but I still got a lot of product in there. What's like a product that you had for like ever and you just like never got rid of? We're using Maven Beauty's blush in the color Crush. This is a cute red. Like this blush you really do have to like layer on to have like color payoff, and like you don't want to keep piling on to where it looks crazy, but sometimes you know you gotta do what you gotta do. Now we're going into Maven Beauty's highlighter. It's called Dripped Out. Like I said, we're being festive. We're going all the way out, girl. All the way out. If you're not gonna be festive, don't come to the party. Don't come. A little bit on the nose, just a little bit. Next, I'm going with the Epic Ink liquid eyeliner from NYX in the color white. This is optional because like I said, I'm just extra. I'm not the best, but I tried to do like my own like little snowflake like beauty mark, but you don't have to do this. You could keep the look without the beauty mark. So it's up to you, personal preference, but I wanted to add it just cause like why not, you know? You only live once, and I was thinking like maybe I should have did dots instead. But I'm happy with the little snowflake. But if you want to do like dots underneath the eyeshadow, that would be super cute too. And then we're just gonna spray our face and make sure your face is moist, okay? Spray the crap out of your face with the setting sprays. Next, I'm just lining my lips with like a pinkish red lip liner. Honestly, I forgot the name of the color, but it is from NYX. And then I am using Maven Red from Maven Beauty. And here is the finished look. I love it so much. It's super cute. These earrings just add the extra effect. This red little romper I have on too is giving like Mrs. Claus, Christmas tree. I love it. Let me know what you think of this festive holiday look. Let me know down below if you would do something like this. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Happy holidays.